Hello, EA group members. This is GC. If you're coming from Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter, or here on YouTube, don't forget to search International Artists Group on Facebook. And today I'm starting a new playlist which will be for Dreamweaver and the Synology server. Now, I'm not gonna go over details of the Synology server, but you should have all these icons on your network. If you go to network and double click, you'll get your entire network of all the computers connected, and one of them will be your server. And inside your server you will have your folders where you will have to make your root folder. Now the root folder for the Synology, it's under web. This web link takes you to the web folder. The Synology is connected to the internet, and it's the website. The traffic to the server goes through another port which leads to this folder here where all the websites are. You can have a WordPress, you can have a Dreamweaver, you could have any kind of website that you can get to work inside here. So, having said that, if you do not have a Synology server, you can create a folder, and I'm going to right click, new, create new folder. So I'm going to create this new folder, and I'm going to name the new folder my new site. And this is why. Right now in the Synology server I have, and you should have, a domain name, and that domain name should be connected to some hosting somewhere. If you have a server at home and you connected it to the server and it's working like this, it's fine. If not, you could work on Dreamweaver internally and create your site. Now, I'm not gonna go over details to map the server, but I'll show you here the access media, map network drive. Here you need to map the home and the web folder, and you should also have or create from here, go to network and create a link on your desktop to the server. Now you will have to log in and tell this computer to remember that it's the same computer, so you won't have to log in every time. But if you do that, I do recommend that you put a password before logging into Windows, in case somebody comes into your office and wants to go through your stuff. Now, having said that, always keep in mind some kind of security for the server. You can look at second step verification and all that, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So I created my new folder, and my new folder is empty, and I'm going to go to Dreamweaver, and let's start this, and I'm gonna show you here how to link the two folders together. We're gonna click in this icon up here on the left. Hopefully you have the latest updates. I have the latest updates. My website is connected, and what I mean by that, it's the domain name and the site is actually an old website. Here it is, and it says under construction. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to redesign the website with the new Dreamweaver tools, and I'm going to upload the site after some part is done, at least the home page, to the folder of the server. But for now, I'm gonna leave everything on the desktop. So I created my new site folder, and in Dreamweaver I want to link. Right now you can see that my website is up, so that's because it's linked to that drive or that folder. So I'm going to unlink it, and if you click here this arrow, you will have, it will show you all your connections, right? So you have your server, your network drive. You could connect to it like that, or you could create your own name and then link the folder on the server, on the web section of the folder of the server, and have it done that way, or drag and drop. And now we're gonna link the folder on the desktop. So for that I want to click on desktop, and I'm gonna click on manage sites, and I'm gonna create a new site, and it's gonna be called my new site, and I'm gonna link it here with this folder. I'm gonna left click, and I'm going to the desktop, and I'm gonna look for the folder I created, my new site. It should match, so you have my new site, my new site. About the Git repository, you can research this. It's a new feature, it's not that old, I've seen it for a while now, but that's something else, so don't check that. And under servers, you don't need to add a server. Now if you had a server, you could add the name of the server, the FTP, the port is always 21, you need the FTP address, the username, the password, and you save it, and then you click on test, and you test the connection. All this information, the root directory and everything, is given to you by the hosting company. So that's how you would link your website to Dreamweaver, through this connection here. And once you have that connection, you could I'm gonna done here. Okay. So let's see here what happened. I drifted out there for a minute. Manage site. Didn't I add this? My new site. New site. Desktop, my new site. Save. Okay, my new site. Done. Okay, so now I'm just going to close this index here. That is my website right now. My server is at home and the website is up and running, but I'm gonna redesign it, and then I'm just gonna replace the folders, and I'll show you really quick how that works. It's really pretty much easy. If you have mapped your drive, all you do is you go to the web folder for the Synology, and there you have it. You have your website. Here I could drag my new site folder into here and have it directly on my server, but I don't want to do that since it's not necessary. My site is here. Here are all the folders or the links, and what I'm going to do later is just drag the folders from this side and just put them in here. It's that easy. Now I'm going to keep this because I have some things in the code that I'm going to be using for this exercise. So we have connected my new site to Dreamweaver, and I'm gonna stop the video now for now so you guys can get all that done. You can always send me an email at A1A Studios. Here, I'll pop up the email really quick. A1astudios.net, and you can go to my website, and under contact us, just simply fill out the form right here, enter your name, email, subject, and your message, and click send, and you should be fine, ready to go, and we will write you back. Now, if you are watching this for the first time and you are new to our group, to International Artists Group on Facebook, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching. Next video is coming up soon.